Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel, Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to continue sharing ways that you can use and maximize your use of Thinkific as an all-in-one platform for not only managing your business, taking payments, creating courses, and now you can create lead capture and funnels using Thinkific. So the reason why I wanted to make this video is because a lot of times we think we need lots of different website tools such as ClickFunnels or lead gen special website creators, and really Thinkific is aiming to be your all-in-one platform. The reason why it's important to just leverage one platform is it helps one reduce costs. If you end up using ClickFunnels or you end up using a lot of other different builders, it really adds up because then you're spending a lot of money on recurring subscriptions and you're starting to find they add up very quickly and it becomes a little bit overwhelming to sort out which ones you really need. So with Thinkific becoming and moving towards becoming this all-in-one platform for your business, there's more that you can do within Thinkific to keep your business within the Thinkific ecosystem and stay focused on your Thinkific creator business. So I'm going to show you how you can create a lead capture page. So let's say you wanted to create a landing page and generate leads. That's one way you can do it using Thinkific. The one disadvantage I will say is that it's not going to necessarily be pretty. It may not look as beautiful as maybe what you may see with other sites or ClickFunnels, but the idea is quick and dirty and simple and also cost effective. So you can use Thinkific to create a lead capture page, and you can also use Thinkific as a funnel. The idea is you create the product, and then I'll walk you through the demo of how you can start setting up a funnel for a specific product. The idea is that Thinkific becomes an all-in-one platform, and then you can use this to also, inside Thinkific, manage all the leads that come in through either your lead capture and or your sales funnel. You can take those leads and then export them and put them into either MailChimp, ConvertKit, or MailerLite, any one of those email marketing platforms to continue communicating and letting your subscribers and leads know what you've been working on, any changes with the product, and getting feedback so that you can continue to hone the product and develop new products for future, so that you can also develop future products in your business. So now let's get started with our first demo, which is how to use Thinkific to generate leads in their lead capture page, so that you can see how simple, how easy, and really how when you're just starting out, it keeps your business cost effective and allows you to later on scale and hire different people to help you with different tasks. Let's get started. While we do have a banner section and a lead capture section for your homepage, I will recommend adding additional sections to fully complete your landing page in order to give it some more personality and some depth as a kind of initial first impression into the world. So if this for me and I'm introducing people to the world about my brand and my business that I'm about to launch, a couple of things that I think would enhance this site further if you only plan to use Thinkific. So I would go to add section and I would look for video. There is a video section, and this is really key, and you can do it two ways. You can either add the video here or you can add a video in the banner section as well. Either way, I highly recommend adding a video because it really, as we know, nowadays people watch a lot of videos and consume a lot of video content, and so one of the first things after seeing your image is to go into a video and letting people know what you're about to launch, what your business is about. It gives some interaction and interactivity that they wouldn't have normally gotten just from a simple website. And then once that's done, I would also add additional section, a FAQ section. So in addition to the video section, I would add two other sections. One, I would add a FAQ. So this is all about your business, what you're planning to offer, any questions people might have. And then the other thing I would add is any kind of social proof, giving people a window and preview of testimonials, clients you've worked with in the past, people that can testify and speak to the quality of your work, your service, and what you're about to offer. I think those things help cement an early impression of your business and really stand out. So if I were going to add social proof, I'll just click on the social proof. And this is a way for people to start seeing some testimonials. And just so you know, I do think that this is valuable even when you're not selling anything yet, because it is about social proof. It's about personality and giving validity to what you're about to sell and offer. In this stage of the internet, there's so many fraudulent scams and AI bots and personalities. And so the more you can add social proof and testimonials, it really cements what you have to offer. I don't like the design of this social proof. The ones from Rob Galvin's Super Power-Ups are great, but if you're committed to using Thinkific only at the moment, this is one way of doing it. So you can add multiple testimonials in here, and I'm just going to save it just to show you. Once that's done, the other thing that I was going to suggest is to add the FAQs. This kind of gives people an early preview of questions frequently. There you go. Ask questions, and then that should come before your social proof. So this way people start to know about your business, how you charge, are there refunds, what you offer, like basic questions that come up often that you front load now and answer before you actually launch. And so this is just a great bare bones way to get started with building a lead capture page. And so this is just a simple way to build a lead capture page on Thinkific. If you have any additional questions, comments, or feedback, leave a comment and let me know what you want to see, and come back next week for the next video on how you can use Thinkific to create your funnel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.